Paint Protection Film. What is it? What does it do? And is it the right choice for your car? Hi, I'm Tim Kennedy, owner of Divergent Elite Detailing, and welcome to Ask Divergent, where we empower those who are seeking to be the heroes of protecting the look and functionality of their automotive investment. Paint Protection Film, or PPF, is a clear layer designed to safeguard your vehicle's painted surfaces. It serves as rock chip protection, shielding your car from scratches, debris, and other hazards you encounter on the road. At Divergent Elite Detailing, we exclusively use optical film, known for its durability, clarity, and advanced self-healing properties, ensuring your car stays protected while also looking incredible. Now, we offer a range of coverage options to suit your needs. Some of the most popular include full front protection, which includes the entire hood, front bumper, full front fenders, headlights, and mirror caps with wrapped edges for an invisible finish. Next, we offer the track pack protection, which extends the coverage to areas like the rocker panels, A-pillars, rear splash guards, which is perfect for vehicles exposed to frequent road debris. Then we step it up to full body protection, which offers complete coverage of all painted surfaces with options for a glossy or satin finish for added style. PPF isn't just for luxury cars or exotic vehicles. It's for anyone who values their car's appearance. Whether you drive a daily commuter or a weekend sports car, optical films helps maintain your vehicle's condition and resale value. Now, for the best results, we often pair PPF with paint correction and ceramic coating. While PPF serves as rock chip protection and shields against physical damage, ceramic coatings enhance the finish, adding gloss and making the surface easier to clean. Together, they deliver unmatched protection and effortless maintenance. Now, unlike outdated films of the past, today's PPF is crystal clear and incredibly durable. Over time, the film acts as a sacrificial layer protecting your paint from damage. When needed, it can be removed and replaced, leaving your car's paint untouched and looking like new. So, is paint protection film right for you? If you care about preserving your car's appearance and value, the answer is simple: absolutely. Got questions? Awesome. You can submit them at AskDivergent.com. We're here to help you make informed decisions about protecting your investment.